Today I'll show you how to make money online using Neobox. Neobox is a website where people can click the advertisement and you'll get paid, and you can do mini job. Once you complete the mini job you'll get paid for that. So go to neobox.com, www.neobux.com, neobox.com. Once you do that you'll be taken to this page, neobox.com page, and you see here view advertisement, forum, register and login. Click on this register because you have to register before you use this. So once you click that, you'll be taken to this page. So you have to enter your username. Username doesn't have to be an email or anything. You can just enter your name or maybe nickname or whatever is appropriate to you. So you have to enter your password and reconfirm your password, and right here you have to enter your email, and under that a valid email, by the way, because a confirmation will be sent to your email from which you can activate your account. And right here you have payment through PayPal or Payza, whatever it is. If you don't have PayPal account right now, you can enter the same email address like above. So referral in the case like who referred you. In this case, if you don't have any refer, even if you keep this empty, it's just fine. So don't worry about that. So birthday and everything. Once you do that, click this continue and your account is created. Now your account is created and you have to log in. So right here register and login. So click on login and you have to enter your username and password, and secondary password, don't worry about this. Even if you don't enter this, it's just fine. Now once you do that, you'll be taken to this page. Here you earn the money. So let's say I'm logging. So right now I have 0.030. This is because I have bought so many referrals. I'll show you how to do that. Right here you see 11, 4 and 4. These are the advertisements you have to click. So once you click this, you will be paid. See here 0.030. right now I have $0.030. so once I complete clicking this, I'll show you how much do I get. So just keep watching. Okay, now you see this. Now once I click this, what happens is, once I click this, I'll be taken to this page where I can view my advertisement, everything, my ads. So I have to click any of these somewhere, and you see the red button here, red button, or sometimes it becomes green and sometimes red. You have to click exactly on the red button, and if you mix to click on this red button like for 3 or 4 times, then the particular advertisement may get disappeared. So just click on it and the page starts loading. So when the page starts loading, you see wait for the advertisement to load. So immediately, like if you go to next tab this way and go other tab, it doesn't get validated. So you have to wait until this gets validated. So just keep on watching, and right here, right below, you can see a yellow bar just running across, and when it reaches from left corner to extreme right corner, then you can see here the advertisement has been validated. Right now you didn't see because the net isn't functioning very well. Now see, advertisement validated. So this done. Now you close this. Now you go for the next one. Again do the same thing, right here, and wait for it till it gets validated. See here, waiting for advertisement to load. So you just keep waiting till the advertisement is validated. Once done, then you can see some increment in your account. So before I had 0.030, so I have clicked to advertisement. I can go and check. I can check my account. I still have this, but I have to reload it. Once you reload, you see 0.032. So each advertisement will earn you 0.01. So this is less, right? But you have other way to earn. See here offer, right here offer. So once you go to offer, you see mini job, right here mini job. And if there are mini jobs available, then you can do the mini jobs like verifying the author of certain articles or anything. So many things are there. You just go for it and you'll earn like much better than this, just clicking the advertisement. So right now there are no tasks currently available. Please check back later. Sometime you don't have, and sometime there will be lots of activities and mini jobs. You can select any of these and you'll keep earning a lot. So now I have this is my direct referral and this is my rented referral. Direct referral means if you ask somebody to join this new box and give him your link and he can join after you ask him, that becomes your direct referrals, and whatever he clicks you will get the part of it and you will start earning from that. And here you have rental referrals. Rental referral is whenever you have enough amount in your account right here, or even you can buy from your account, and whenever they click certain advertisement you will get paid like $0.02. So I'll show you my referrals, but the referrals varies like how long you buy them, per month or for how long, for 15 days. Right here see I have referrals. So um, right here you can buy 5 referrals for dollar. Now right now I have 15. See, whenever they click I get paid. Whenever they click I get paid. So this is how it's done. And how to buy referrals: when you have enough money, or right here, when you have enough money you go to statistics. Once you go to statistics, then you'll be taken to a page right here, and you see summary, statistic, everything. You can just go on clicking this and you will learn a lot right here. And there will be an option to buy referrals. So in that way you can go ahead and do lot of stuff and it works, I guarantee you. So on big time. Thanks for watching the video. So just for referrals, if you want something more you can comment me below. I'll give you some more hints. Okay, thanks for watching.